you call it, a lip swatch, a lip stain. Well, let me show you what I'm talking about. These are I guess you call them stickers, lip stickers. I found this very fascinating. I've worn them before, but these, do you know they have these at Dollar Tree? At Dollar Tree. This is so cute. They have these at Dollar Tree. Now, the ones I've purchased before, it didn't come from Dollar Tree. I had purchased some, when I was out of town and stuff, and I saw them at a store. I mean, to me, they work really well, but of course, the majority of the ones that I have used, they're more solid color. These have little roses on it, if you can see it. They have little roses on them. But it's amazing the things you will find at the Dollar Tree because, I mean, every Dollar Tree has something different. So, I mean, if your Dollar Tree has these, I mean, pick them up, try them, because I'm at, is it a yay or a nay for this one? So, let me show you. I did the top. You can see it. I mean, you really can't see any roses or what have you to me. Looks a little dry, doesn't it? So I'm going to show you how you do this. I mean, it comes, like this. You take it out of the pack. Well, I mean, of course, yeah, you have to take it out the pack because how else are you going to use it? Okay, but comes on the card. Take the card. See the front. Look how cute that looks. And the instructions are more or less on the back, if you can see that. See on the back, it tells you, how to measure, because you cut this off. When you're cutting it, you don't go, at the top or the bottom. You have to actually measure your lips, and I'm going to tell you, this is not an easy process. Like I said, I did the top. I'm going to show you a little with the bottom. So, of course, this is it. Let me see. Can you see that? I've kind of cut it, because you have to measure your lips. I cut it. And then you take the little, plastic seal that they have off. See, some of the lip has come off. Well, that was really bright. Really, really bright. Oh, Lord. Let's see if I'm going to do this. But you put it on. And you have to take your water because it sticks. Take your water and more or less, soak it on like you would soak on a tattoo. So I'm going to go finish this and I will be back. So of course, this is what it's looking like. Once again, lips sticker. So, I mean, at this point, what do you think? Would you buy them? I'm back. I'm finished. I mean, what I did was, give it a little line, and I put some, some glitter on top of it. So, I mean, what do you think? Does it look like roses to you? I'm going to say they are kind of cute. Like I said, I've used them before. But, I mean, if you're interested in getting you some, stop at your local Dollar Tree. Because, like I said, the Dollar Tree, they just come in with everything. Everything. Once it's there, it's there. Once it's gone, it is gone. This is what it's looking like once again. I had to use the bottom of this because the other part came off. But the lip stickers at Dollar Tree, tell me what you think. Leave me in comments. Really, tell me what you think. Would you use this? Would you pick it up? You know, just to have some popping lips. I mean, it lasts all day. It does. It lasts all day. You have to take alcohol to get this off because it's like a lip stain. There's a lip sticker, but it's almost still the same. So you will have to use some alcohol to get it off. But like I said, it lasts all day. I mean, for me, it's a thumbs up. I don't know about anyone else. So I'm going to say these, they're probably there because they have a lot of their Valentine things out that you can purchase, and this would be a great, item to also wear for Valentine's Day. So once again, here's another close-up. Okay, so this is the end of my video. Leave me a thumbs up, comments, and as always, subscribe. And if you haven't seen my last video playing in the background, go and check it out. Bye. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye, everyone.